Right now it's time for the Executive Edge. We're going to start with two of this morning's biggest movers. Match shares are falling today after the results beat expectations, but the owner of dating apps such as Match, Tinder, and OkCupid is worrying that the current quarter revenue is going to come in a little below expectations as it faces rising competition from rivals like Bumble. Facebook is in this game now, too. Check that out. Match Group right now down by about 12%. And then shares of WW, formerly known as Weight Watchers, are down sharply. That company is reporting its third straight quarter of lower revenue. The number of subscribers rose by nearly 6% from a year ago, but growth slowed from the previous quarter. And as a result, that stock is down by about 13%. This is one of those stocks that has massive swings up and massive swings down. Remember when Oprah got involved and there was that huge Oprah effect that came with it? But this is a volatile stock.
This is a very volatile stock. And what I find so interesting is that right now, a lot of the big growth names are really disappointing. So I think that we're at a really pivotal part in the market right now. Like in the last month and going forward, we are in a big rotation. If you look at what's working right now, it's very different from what's worked in the last cycle. So look at companies like Caterpillar or, these deep value cyclical names. They're actually starting to show some signs of life. And I think this goes back to the idea that some of the economic data is starting to bottom. We're seeing some signs of a cyclical recovery.
Well, particularly for Caterpillar when you're looking at growth overseas potentially or a slowdown lessening overseas.
Absolutely. So it's that second derivative. And that's pushing a lot of these like crowded darling stocks lower as investors sell them to fund purchases in some of the deep value names. This is a really interesting point in the market. I think there's a lot of money to be made just from this internal rotation that we're seeing.